This is Charles D. Hall and Astrid Hall launching an attack on our farm on the north boundary. Not a day goes by when they're not attacking our farm and making it so we cannot use large portions of our farm. They have unreasonable use of their property. They don't put a lane between their fence and our fence. They have 140 acres. They put their animals right on our fence line and make it so, well, today we cannot use this third of our property over here. And the Alachua Sheriff is letting them do this. And the Circuit Court, Monica Brasington. So we lose use of a third of our property. This is happening on a daily basis. This is March 22nd, 2018. This has been going on since January 8th, 2018, to drive us off our property, even though the bankruptcy judge said we have at least until October 30th. They are running their cattle business at a loss in order to drive under my horse business. They have taken apart fencing that the bankruptcy judge told them they could not take self-help after she told them that, taken fencing that belongs to my riding arena, so that they are operating at a loss and putting my business, my horse business, under.